That's a B. Yes, generals, it's another day. Today I'm going to be doing another product review and I'm excited for this one. I haven't used it at all. I bought it about a month ago and I wanted you guys to experience me using it firsthand. Hopefully it does work, otherwise I've wasted hella money. But yeah, let me get straight to showing you. But before we continue the video, let me show you guys what I bought. This is mad. So obviously I bought 2 GoPros, yeah? And as a lot of you lot may know, the accessories on the GoPro website are expensive. So I went on eBay and literally, minus this and this, bought myself a 280 piece kit. It's got everything you need, all of your stickers and extra attachments. So it actually comes with the case. The case is relatively big, to be fair, relatively big, and it's got the handle on there as well, so you can take it around with you, you can travel with it, very convenient. And there's more in there as well. We got a wrist strap for your wrist, to wear the GoPro on your wrist. Don't know what this is for, so if anyone knows, then let me know. There are hundreds of these things in here, and I need to cut my nails. I know you lot know how often these kind of things get lost. Never ever run out. In this bag, got here just pure tripods, bare tripods, and there's a selfie stick in there as well. So you've got this little flexible one where the arms actually bend. This flipping sick. So you can like wrap that around stuff. You've got a humongous selfie stick. Look at that. Mad. It's mad. Look how long it is. Oh my days. The thing is long. That's long. Then you've got another one here. Another little tripod. This is a cute one, man. So yeah, this extends just a little bit. Just a little bit. But it's alright. Calm. Then obviously it comes with your other stuff, so this little floating one that you can use in water. These like for if you're recording on your bike and you want to put it on the handles or like on a bar or something. Little suction cup, and I've got another one. I've got another official like GoPro suction cup as well, which covers a larger surface area. We got a chest strap. We've got a head strap. I'm not too sure what these are for. But yeah, literally loads of stuff. It's live. Yeah, so if you guys want to save yourself a bit of money, then literally I paid £23. So I paid £22.99 and it's a 280 piece kit. If you guys know about the prices of these accessories on a GoPro website, you know it's hundreds and hundreds. I think for, I don't know how much I paid for the suction cup. I think it was something like 30 or 50 pounds. So for all of this, I've paid less than I'll pay for one accessory on the GoPro website. It's mad. So get yourself on there. See what I look like. Chee! Looking like a minion and that.
Ba 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 na 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 ba 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 na na
banana. Aye, this is hard. Anyway. So guys, as you can see here, I have already opened the box because I was gassed. Obviously, I want to look at what's inside. So it was a little bit impatient. But yeah, so this is what we're going to be reviewing today. As you can see, we've got here the Vax spot wash, spot cleaner. How much did I pay for this? I don't actually know how much I paid for this. I think it was either £100 or 130. It was on sale, I know that for sure. I think it was actually 100. I purchased it from Argos, but there's a lot of places that you can get it from online. Obviously, Vax is a very big brand. I'm just going to introduce you to the contents of the box, and we're just going to go through a little step-by-step guide of how to set yourself up and use it. So we're going to get straight to using it. But first, I need to clean it. I need to hoover the car and stuff properly before I actually use this, because yeah, car's filthy. Let me just show you what's actually in here. So as you can see here, we got the manual. It's giving you the instructions of how to set it up, use it, and the contents, and etc, etc. Let me teach you through some of the accessories that it comes with. So we have here the multi-purpose attachment. Is that zooming in? Is it zooming in? The focus in? Don't matter. This obviously attaches to the wet vac itself, and obviously sucks up the dirt and brushes it. So that's that. We'll get to that in a minute. Have no clue what these are for. There's another one as well, but we'll find out. Yeah, that's the other one. Next we have spot washer cleaning solution. Last but not least, boom. This is actually a lot heavier than I expected it to be. Yeah, it's easy to carry with you, I guess. Yeah, the hose itself is actually quite long as well. Yeah, it's a bonus really. I'm assuming this is the trigger for the water. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. So, I'm gonna read the instructions here. Right. So, remember them clips that I said? I have no clue what they're for. This is just like a holder for the pipe, and that clips in like that. See how it holds it? It's easy as that. And I believe there's one for the other side. Yep. In here. And there we go. So is this thing still on? Yeah. So we've unclipped the hose from the back of the machine. So we're gonna wrap the hose around the machine from back to front. Like that. Then we're gonna slide the wash tool to the hose end until it clicks into place. There you go. That ain't going nowhere. Push the hose end into the clip on the back of the machine, then wrap the cord around the quick cord release hooks. So yeah, managed to do it in the end. Just clip that in there. So wrapped it around, clipped it in, and we've put this around the hook. So we are ready to take this outside now. So let's take this outside. So as you can see, I've hoovered the car out. It's obviously still dirty. The same applies for the mats. The mats are filth. So that should make a massive difference. And now start using this thing. So we're going to fill it up with water. So press the clean water solution tank release button, pull and lift to remove the tank. Which one is the clean? The clean one is this side, and you can tell the difference because you can see this has no like pipe inside there, whereas this one does. That has the pipe, that don't, so this is it. And we're just gonna take that out, easy as that, and fill up that bad boy. So we're gonna use 250 milliliter solution with 1 liter of water. This is actually good because it kind of focus. Yeah, this is kind of good because it actually tells you, like, go to a darker area, where to fill it up with. So yeah, and this says to fill up with warm water, so we're gonna do that. Why is there orange juice in my sink? But yeah, this is 250. This is 250 milliliters, so that's the whole bottle gone. And as you can see, that has filled up to the correct amount with the combination of the water and the solution. Looking rather cloudy. And we're good to roll. Make sure you recycle, guys. So, using machine, unwrap the cord, plug it in, unclip the tool. We're gonna fit the front of the selected attachment, which we've done already. We're using number 1, which is on the machine here. Press the on button to switch the machine on, which is there. For spills, always pick up the excess liquid before using the water solution. So if you have spilt something on your seats and it's fresh, then make sure you've cleaned most of that before you use this. Press the trigger on the wash tool, and we use the brush to get rid of any stubborn stains, which I have a lot of. And then we release the trigger and tilt the nozzle forwards so the nozzle is in contact with the surface. So yeah, that's the right way to hold it, that's the wrong way. Aye, see it there? See it there? Look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt, that's mad. I've been sitting on this, you know. I've been sitting on this. That's nuts. Look at the difference already.
A few moments later.
You're deep in stuff. You're deep in stuff way too much. That's crazy. That's crazy, bruh. You know what the mad thing is? Half the time, your seats will be looking clean. Like, obviously my case is different, my seats were actually dirty, but in most cases, your seats could actually look clean and it could still have dirt in it, but you'll never know until you use this. You'll never know. And that looks better already. Obviously, you've got to wipe the leather, but I haven't used this side. It's light because of the dirt. Look, I'm scratching it, and it's just dirt coming up. But do it here. That's not happening because it's wet as well. But generally, what is that? Is that chewing gum or something? What the fuck? That's that. So we're gonna do this seat, and that should be gone. And then we're gonna do the other seat. Then we're gonna do the carpets, The back seats. Mad. And the mats. This is the most dirtiest mat in the car, it's the driver's one. But yeah. That's one seat complete, which is obviously the driver's seat. Much improvement. Much improvement. This was the dirtier seat of the two at the front. And when you compare the two, 1, 2, that, safe to say, a job well done. And if you remember the mats, I've cleaned one mat so far, and I can bet you can guess which one it is. Yep. I'll put the two side by side, clean the two fronts. Yeah, definitely. It's an old mat anyway, so it's a bit frayed. You can see the S line's frayed, but even that is a lot cleaner to that. Big difference. We're gonna get to cleaning the rest. Well happy with that. I'm not gonna lie though, it looks like that's not gonna happen because I've run out of cleaning solution. We used all of that just for a quarter of the car. Nuts. But look at the water. That shit's nasty, man. That's nasty. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We done 1.5 front of the car because we ran out of the cleaning solution and I ran out of the spray as well. So I'm gonna have to buy more and do it another day. However, I have shown you guys how to do it, and I'm assuming you're gonna take it upon yourselves to do the whole of the car, unlike me. If you like this video, if you enjoyed watching it, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment on how you think I did, how you think the product is, and if you bought the product, then also let me know how you found it. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching. Out.